In this guide, we'll explore the 2025 Subaru Forester's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators. The Forester features an 11.6-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, a panoramic moonroof, and heated front and rear seats. What do these indicators mean, and how can you address them for a safe driving experience?
Instrument cluster,
Cluster indicators. Rear seatbelt warning light, SRS airbag system, warning light. Front passenger's frontal airbag on and off indicator light. Malfunction indicator light, charge warning light. Oil pressure warning light, ABS warning light. Vehicle dynamics, control warning light. Vehicle dynamics, control off indicator light, brake system warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, power steering warning light, low tire pressure warning light, low fuel warning light, automatic headlight beam leveler warning light, front passenger's warning light, engine low oil level warning light. At oil temperature warning light, engine hood, open warning light, windshield washer fluid warning light, all-wheel drive warning light, door open indicator light, security indicator light, high beam indicator light, high beam assist indicator, turn signal indicator light, LED headlight warning light, headlight indicator light, auto start stop off warning light, icy road surface warning indicator, RCTA off indicator, hill descent control indicator light, sonar audible alarm off indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.